Yeah, girl. It is. Yeah. Okay, so don't mind the look. I just got back from the gym, clearly. But you guys always ask me, what do you do to get the core? Well, this is all made in the kitchen. And if you guys want more recipes, I will produce more recipes for you because I do listen to my squad. So today after the gym, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite acai bowl. Acai is so good for you. It's full of antioxidants, and your berries and your strawberries and all those are really good to have after the gym. But Women's Best here, you guys have seen me promote this on YouTube, on Instagram. This here, you see why there's an ice cream scoop? Yeah, because this tastes exactly like, I'm not kidding you, exactly like freaking vanilla ice cream. So I absolutely love this, and I almost wish sometimes that like more men would try it, just because it has the title Women's Best. It's just their brand name, but it's so good. It is so good, and I think it's by far one of the best vegan proteins I have ever had, like ever. So what I do is I take my vegan protein, which I'll show you on my steps, and I blend it with my acai to give the acai some protein. It also makes it taste really good. And I add my berries. I add all my good stuffs to it, and sometimes I'll put spinach depending how I feel. Yeah, and also sometimes I add this red superfood smoothie. This also has protein in it, and it's so good. It's beetroot, acai berry powder, goji berry extract, and more. And it's just like another powder that, oh my god, it smells so good, it tastes so good. So I'm gonna make my acai bowl, you guys, and you are gonna see, and I hope that you give it a try. These acai packets that I got, that you're gonna see, I got from Costco, but you can find them at the store, wherever store you're located. I'm sure that they have them there. Anyways, yeah, so this is one of my favorite things, and of course, living in Hawaii, it's really popular. You can get them anywhere, anywhere you live pretty much, but I buy them so much, so I was like, okay, I need to buy the packets to start making them myself. All right, so if you guys want more what I eat in the day, if you want more recipes, if you want more things about what I do to stay lean and toned and how I'm able to build being 100% plant-based, then let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you, team baby. Okay, so for my acai bowl, I always do it different, but today, so I got these packets from Costco. They are just acai packets, which super good nutritional facts. Let's see here. So can y'all see this? Not sure why it looks, well, I'll read it to you. It's only 3 grams of fat, 15 carbs, and basically they come in 2 little packets. So I put both of those in here, and then I add a scoop of my Women's Best vegan protein. I'm gonna put the link below for this so you guys can check it out, because all their products are so good. But by far, this is the best vegan protein I've had, and it does have a lot of protein, low carbs, and it's really, really good. 30 servings, so it's great. So I add that in there with my 2 acai packets, and then I'm going to use some almond milk. So then I'm going to put some unsweetened almond milk in there, because this is already sweetened. And I'm going to top it with some berries and some of this granola I got from Costco. It's grain-free. It's so good. It has just almonds, honey, pecans, sunflower, coconut, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. And oh my gosh, it's seriously the best one I've ever had. As you can tell, I've just been eating it, snacking. But yeah, so I'm going to blend this up. Sometimes I'll throw in a little banana. I do have also these little apple bananas from the tree downstairs that my neighbor gave me, or a regular banana, but I'm putting the protein in today, so I don't need that. And like I said, I always do it different. I have goji berries, I top it, cacao nibs, but I will show you right after. And voila, just like that, some nice protein acai bowl in my eco-friendly coconut bowl. Would you look at that? all the gains.